Welcome to the DIY CAD tutorial series. This video is about the 3D printed parts that are needed to build the device. I am here on the DIY page of linksware.org at the 3D printing section. And here you can find the links where you can download all the STL files. So there is Thingiverse, printables, and CAD 3D. Let's go to the printables, because there's a pretty nice overview of the parts. And here, all the parts that you need. Also depending on left or right side of the CAD. So the S in front, that means it's symmetrical parts, and they goes both for left and right. And these are for the left side, and these are for the right side. So now let's go back to the website. Here also you can download the spreadsheet. Downloads, save. Um, 3D parts. And here is a list of the 3D printed parts which are needed for any variant, for only keys or joystick variant or mouse. Next, let's have a look at the 3D printing settings. So I am using pretty basic settings, so there's nothing special about them. Standard nozzle, the layer height for the all part is 0.2. Besides the keys, it just feels nicer and looks nicer if you choose 0.2. Also, all the parts can be printed without support. And infill, if you would like to have it a little bit more heavy, you can print it with more infill, but I'm choosing 5% lighting. And for complicated parts, you might want to drop the first layer speed to 50%. And for the push rod and finger thumb modules, you should set the seam to the sharpest. So the push rod goes freely inside the modules. So you don't want it too loose, but also not that it sticks. So if it's too loose, you might change the scale of it. Or if it doesn't fit, you may just make it slightly smaller. For example, you just would go to the push rod and scale it not in the Z-axis, but X and Y-axis. So it just gets a little bit tinier. Also, one thing in Cura, some of the parts are too small, so you just follow this instruction to fix it. And if there are any other problems or questions, just contact me via these channels.